so I'm going to do a review of my socket set that I use on a daily basis. Motor swaps, I mean everything. It's just convenient to grab, wheel out of the shop, and yeah. So it's actually a GEARWRENCH socket set. I'm going to go ahead and open this up and tell you guys what I think. Okay, so it's got two clips for the top. Top opens up. It's got a nice, convenient carrying handle. You can carry this thing around with. It's quite heavy. Yeah, so right on top here, got your ratchets. Never had a problem with the ratchets, and I've put a decent amount of torque and used and abused and beat on these things with hammers. Then you got the sockets. It goes from 1.5 inch all the way down to 7/16, and it goes from 27 mil to 15. And this is all 1/2 inch drive. We got a couple extensions, 3/4 inch extensions, 2 3/8 and 2 1/2 inch. So yeah, it's all good. Working our way down to this drawer. I really like this complete set of box end wrenches. And they're not tiny little things either. I actually got like a good handle to them. Yeah, it goes from 3/4 inch all the way down to 1/4. And metric goes from 19 all the way down to 6. And yeah, these are great. Never had a problem with these. I mean, I've beat on them with hammers. I've put pipes on them. Now, this is the next drawer. Yeah, so I like it that they have all 12 points, full set of 12 points in metric and standard. And then they also have the 6 points in every size, 1/4 inch and 3/8. Yeah, so this is all our 1/4 inch standard 6 point. This is the 1/4 inch, this is this 12 point. And then this is the 1/4 inch 6 point all the way down to here. And then this is all metric 6 point. And then we got the 3/8 standard, and then 12 point. And then we got 3/8 standard 6 point. And this is, and then all of this stuff around the edges is metric. And we got the 12 point on one side, and then we got the 6 point on the other. And it also comes with a nice Allen wrench set. Like I said, they got nice long handles. They're not little tiny Allen wrenches. It's pretty nice. I have had a few problems with these sockets. This one right here. I don't know if you can see that. This one actually split. Right there, it's got a crack. Yeah, so you can kind of see it's bulged out more at the top than at the bottom. So this socket no longer works. And then I think I had another 8mm one. This one they ended up sending to me. I mean, you can put in a claim online or on phone, but I don't know. I haven't been too impressed with their customer service. I think they sent me the socket like a month, 2, maybe 3 months after I filed the claim. I mean, they said it was due to COVID. There's backups, but yeah. Yeah, I don't know. So I broke a couple sockets. Other than that, that one's been fine. Okay, so the last drawer. We got all 1/4" deep socket, 4mm to 14, and then we got a deep socket 3/16 to 9/16. Great set. I haven't had a problem with these sockets. Yeah. We got the 3/8 9 to 19mm. I really wish instead of the 9 they did an 8, but I guess they wanted to go in order. Then we got some standard 3/8 deep sockets. We got 3/8 to 5/8. And then we got a screwdriver with a bit set. And then we also have a nut driver set too for the screwdriver. Yeah, you can definitely tell a little bit of wear on those sockets. But I haven't had problems with the deep sockets breaking. Just a couple shallows, but other than that, I think it's a really great kit all around. It's got a lot of everything. I mean, it should be pretty set to tear apart a lot with this set. So, overall review on this set, I definitely buy this set again. I have been impressed, except for those 2 sockets that split. I haven't had any problems with the other tools. I was expecting some ratchets to strip out. I mean, I put pipes on them, beat them on with hammers on rusted bolts, but no, they've held up. So, yeah. Other than the sockets, I don't think it's a problem. And definitely buy it again. And they do have lifetime warranty. I haven't been too impressed with their warranty process, but I'll try it again. Gotta give it 3 times, right? Yeah. Definitely buy this set again. It's got some nice handles on the side to carry it with. On the other side too. You can swing this thing around with one hand, but it's a little easier having the 2 handles on the side. There's my thoughts on this set.